restart and yeah. Here you can see once you run that it goes to the last actually, and here it is star indicates to running in the backend. Yeah. So I may not spend more time. Quickly I can walk through a small recap actually. Okay, please move on. Today, Guru Bhai, we started. Data visualization will keep hold actually. Yeah, move on. Importing the libraries. So the very first step. So the day one onwards, we are just trying to doing. And next one is the loading the data set. Close the door, sir. Loading the data set. We can load the data set by using read underscore CSV. Encoding is mandatory here. Otherwise, Unicode error. What error? Unicode error. I wanted to know number of rows and columns. You can call shape attribute. What attribute? Shape attribute. Top 5 rows, head method. Last 5 rows, tail method. I wanted to display all columns. Columns attribute. I know I'm going speed. Why? Because we already know this. Otherwise, you know my explanation. Here itself, I may spend 1 hour actually. If you don't know this. I wanted to display all columns. For loop, I wanted to rename all columns actually. You need to call a method. Method name is a rename. What is the method name? Oh, rename method. And before calling rename, prepare a dictionary. Prepare what, Sarji? Dictionary with all columns and with all old column names as a keys and new columns names as a values. After changing column names, we need to cross verify. And after cross verify, after you are seeing name of the columns also, it would be good to check method. Method name is a head method. Checking first 5 rows, the same. I wanted to check in the data types. D types attribute we need to call. And data frame information. Info method. Come on, info method. Info is method or attribute? Method. Checking missing values is null or is n. I need column wise count actually. Some method. And I wanted to format the output. What? I wanted to display something like first one is the topmost one, next one second position. Then you can go for sort underscore value. Sort underscore values, blindly it will do sorting according to ascending order. What order? Ascending order. But I don't want ascending, I need a descending. Then what we need to do? Ascending equals to false, keyword augment you need to introduce. Here just we are displaying, but we are not handling missing value. When we can handle, just hold on. First, know the data. Something like this we are doing, what we are doing, KYC and know your customer. But here know your data, KYD actually. There is no official term, but I'm repeating. D types, special invoice underscore date. Invoice underscore date, the data type is object actually. Yeah, good. So invoice underscore date. The next one, access initial data, head method I need to call. I wanted to convert so and so column. So invoice underscore date column is the object. I wanted to convert into date time data type. It is a data time. I'm sorry. It's a date time. Don't consider spelling mistakes. Here you may find spell mistake, but in coding never actually. Am I right? In coding, if spell mistakes, either attribute error, name error, you will say manki kada. Yeah, we need to call a function. What is a function? To underscore date time. Converting the date time, there are 2 ways. First one, while loading. Next one, after loading. We know. These are all we know, I guess, actually. After conversion, we are checking. Yes, confirmation. Either it is changed or not, actually. Let's check description column. Description is a column name, and which is having around some 5 lakhs plus values, having all our uppercase letter. I wanted to convert into lowercase actually. Then what we need to do now? With the series, you need to call one attribute. Attribute name is a str. What is the attribute name? Str. On top of that, you need to call string related method. String related method, lower method. The next one will be, yeah, good. Left hand side, if you're able to see this kind of syntax, means adding a column. And adding a column make 2 scenarios. If new column, if it is a new column will be added actually. If it is a old one, old values will be replaced with this is the old values. It is going to replace with this operation actually. Yes, it is replaced with this operation. We are good to go. Handling missing value. It's a item I wanted to handle a missing value. You need to call a drop NA method. What method? Drop NA. This might be the fourth time revision. This might be the fourth time. I covered these are all things, right? Yeah, good. Info method again we are calling. This number and this number should be matched. Otherwise, having missing value. Having what man? Missing values actually. Good. Recently I covered one new method. What is that method name? Select D types. What is the method name? Important. So imagine there is a data frame. Data frame having first two are numerical data, next two is string data. I wanted to write a method. I would like to select only numerical data. You can go for a select underscore D types. How many keyword arguments? 2. First one, include. Next one, so mere practice cheyaledu. You have to practice actually. Practice. Everybody should respond. Converting customer ID. So customer ID is a floating data type. Here I wanted to convert into integer. Yeah, you can just have to call as type method. As type method. Please focus on this one. As type method on specific column we are applying actually. After applying, then we are assigning the values to the column. So seems to be we are adding a column. We are adding a column. You got. So you may get a warnings and blah blah blah. You need to import. This is the default module. Daniel, do I need to install pip install warning? No. You don't need to install warning module actually. This one is a default. It is available. By default, it is available in Python. Okay. Good, sir. There are two objects from here. First one is a df, old object. Df underscore new object actually. Okay. Yeah, like this and fine then. So describe method quantity column having the negative value. I wanted to process negative value. Then we filtered actually. That's one also we done. The next one we can walk through very quickly. After that we are finding the number of rows and columns, adding a column, amount spent. The next one, the next complete focus will be, we are rearranging all column names. So now the next operation is completely on invoice underscore date. Invoice underscore what mean? Date actually. Yeah, please. So based on requirement, we are going to add a column. The first column, what I'm going to add, Saji, year underscore month. The next column, month column. The next column, month we are going to add. Next one, day. Next one, hour. These are all things we done yesterday. If anybody missed the yesterday session, you missed a lot actually. Meer chala miss here. Right? Please be regular. Year underscore month, day actual. Adding our column also. Hey Daniel, are you done? Are you done actual? When? You slept during that time. Good. Now move to the discussion. The topic name is a group by. What is the topic name? Here I need to start actual. Good. Our main motto will be, anyway, I have done this one also yesterday. I wanted to apply group. Based on what? Customer. Based on what exactly? Customer plus country wise actually. I need count. I need what exactly, man? Yeah, invoice count actually. Invoice what exactly, man? Count. We done this. You can just have to walk through this. So seems to be, where is our template now? And here is, yeah, hold on. This is a Jupyter, right? This is what exactly, man? Jupyter file. Daniel, can I convert this one into template like a HTML file? Yes, we can convert. You can convert. To convert that one, what we need to do, sir? Go to the file. Here you need to, in old Jupyter, here download into HTML. But now, new Jupyter, yeah, I got it. Good. Let me repeat again. Go to the file. And sorry, here you can see save and export notepad as a HTML. What exactly? HTML. Click on this. Now it is downloading into HTML format. I really appreciate your patience. It takes some little longer time. Yes, it is downloaded. What is the file name actually? Part 5. And with the same file, which is so called as a HTML. Did you remember? I have shared the template, right? With the same template we have created, currently working with the Jupyter actually. Sir, if you downloaded the Jupyter into HTML, immutable mode actually. What mode, man? Immutable means what exactly? You cannot type anything. You cannot change actually. Even if you're trying to modifying also, no, not possible. It will not allow first point. Are you clear? It's up to you. Oh, where are we? Move on then. Good. So this is the way we done exactly. Daniel, what you done? I'm calling group by. based on customer ID and country. Within group by, whatever you are giving, those columns will come as index. I hope you already know this. Daniel, when group by chapter. Okay. Now I wanted to apply count. See, count is an operation. It is going to applying on what exactly, man? Invoice number. Please make a note. Always this operation, it is going to apply on this one actually. This one, right? Now the invoice number count, so and so customer, and he is from UK, he bought one invoice count. So and so customer, he is from Iceland, 182 count actually, respectively like this. Okay, transaction count. Daniel, the result is a series. The result is what exactly, mean? Series. But I don't like series. Can I get a result as a data frame? Yes, possible. Then here you need to introduce as underscore index equals to false. When you covered during pandas, I covered actually this topic during pandas group by. Yeah. Now I have a question. Do you really think invoice number one is invoice number actually? No. One is what? Count. One more time. Count actually. That's what we done. Sir, can I tell you one small point? Can you tell me how many rows actually? 4,000. But previously, the whole data frame having more than 3,97,000. 3,97,000 we converted into what exactly? After applying group by, this is the rows actually. This is what exactly, man? Rows actually. Please focus on this. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So we are assigning, sir. So same operation. I don't want to display all the values. I wanted to display just the top 5 values. Then what we need to do? Head method we need to call. Can I take this code and can I capture a trending nodes actually? Yeah. Move on. Can you tell me? Can you read the heading actually? One more time. Data visualization. Good, hold on. In a data science project, you can use Python. Python for what? To write a program. To write a what exactly? To write a program. Who can write a program? Even we are using pandas. Pandas for what actually? We are writing a program to write a program. To load the data. To load what exactly, man? CSV file. When you load a CSV file, we'll get what exactly, man? Data frame. Once you get a data frame, you can apply, I hope apply operation. Apply what exactly, man? Operation. Let me repeat again. Yeah, Python we are using for what? To write a program. What kind of program you can write? List data structure, you can write tuple actually, you can write flow control, up to you, sir. You can use whoops actually, up to you. Even in pandas, we are writing a program. For what? So let us load a file. This is a very common requirement. Load a CSV file. Once you load a CSV file, what happens, sir? Data frame. Chapman, sir. Data frame. Then apply operation. Apply what, man? Good. Get ready. In data science project, there is one library. That library name is a matplotlib. Chapman, sir, library name? One more time. Matplotlib for what exactly? To write a program. Manam program rasam, then use cheskoni to write a program. The moment when you are running the program, what happen? Create visualization. I mean to say, images it will be created actually. Quite interesting. If you run a program, if you write and run a program, we will get output as an image. That is called as a data visualization. That is called as what exactly, man? Data visualization actually. Daniel, are you sure? Yeah, no doubt at all, sir. Visualization actually. Trust me, this is upcoming topic. When? After project actually. After what exactly, man? Project. This we are going to discuss. So where are all data visualization topics would you have? I'm just trying to keeping the whole actually. Can I get a response from you? Right. Either Matplotlib or Seaborn. Either Matplotlib or what exactly? Seaborn actually. Both libraries. Now, today, what you guys need to understand is, Daniel, in data science, I wanted to write a program. Do you wanted to write a program? Then install. What I need to install? Chaptara? Install Python. Chappan sir, install Python. Daniel, I wanted to data analysis. I wanted to do what, sir? Data analysis. Chappan? Pandas. Very good. Daniel, I wanted to do data visualization. Chapter sir, data visualization. Very good. Visualization. Then you need to install library. The basic library is called as a matplotlib. One more time.
Matplotlib.
Please sir, sound సరిగ్గా రావట్లేదు. Let me ask one more time. మీకోసం మళ్ళీ అడుగుతున్నాను. What is the library name?
Matplotlib.
This sound I need actually. Matplotlib. Or you can go for Seaborn. You can go for what, man? Daniel, how to install? Very simple. Just try to install. I just wanted to install actually. I wanted to install. Chapman sir, how to install? Pip install matplotlib. Anyway, upcoming topic. Pip install what, sir? Seaborn actually. Let me just try to bring here data visualization libraries. Data visualization libraries installation. Okay, this is the way we can install. Chapter sir, one more time. Pip install matplotlib, pip install Seaborn. Or if two libraries, if you wanted to install at a time, you can install pip install matplotlib next space Seaborn actually. Space Seaborn. It's not like a comma. If you are providing comma, you will get error. It's like a space separated. What separated, Anna? Space separated. Daniel, two libraries I wanted to install at a time. 5 libraries also you can install. No worries. But we have to separate space. Pip install matplotlib, comma Seaborn actually. Good. Now let me install. Sir, open a command prompt. Where we need to install this actually? In command prompt. Chapman sir, in command. Let me uninstall actually. Pip uninstall matplotlib and what exactly? Seaborn actually. How many of you pursuing students? Present చదివే వాళ్ళు ఎంతమంది ఇందులో? All over done graduation? Okay. Why I'm asking, any semester is going on? Colleges లో ఏమైనా సెమిస్టర్ రన్ అవుతుందా? టుడే ఆఫ్లైన్ స్ట్రెంత్ ఈస్ గుడ్. రండి బాబు, క్లాస్కి రండి. ఆఫ్లైన్ అనేది చాలా ఇంటరాక్టివ్ ఉంటుంది, రైట్, రేదర్ దెన్ ఆన్లైన్. ఇఫ్ పాసిబుల్, ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ అవైలబుల్ అండ్ పాసిబుల్, కమ్ టు ద ఆఫ్లైన్ యాక్చువల్. దట్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్. I have still option at Naresh Shetty when I was joining as a trainer. I can choose either online only, otherwise this combination. I have chosen this combination, but still I can sit at my home and I can deliver session in online also, but offline is more interactive. If there is a possible and available, come to offline actually. What happened? It's taking a little longer time. Okay, successfully uninstalled, Sarji. If you want already uninstalled, try to uninstall one more time. Yeah, good. It will tell no, it is not installed. It is what, man? Not installed. Good. Look at my screen. Daniel, why you explain these two libraries? Why you explain? In a data science project, get ready. We are going to create images like this actually. So don't worry. We are going to create images. What do you mean by images? Line chart, bar graph, pie chart. No, these are all things we are going to create. Very simple. Just a matter of 2 to 3 lines of the code actual. You can write a program, you will get output as an image. You will get output as what, man? Beautiful actual. Beautiful. Anyway, this is the upcoming topic. This is what, man? Upcoming topic. Don't worry about the code actually. Just only observe the image. That image also will explain. Daniel. Now it's the right time. I need to be install. I need to be what exactly, man? Install actually. You can just try to come here, Saji. You need to install. This is local environment actually. In local. How to install like this? In current computer is called as a local actual. Hey, Daniel, I wanted to install libraries in Jupyter. Install libraries in what exactly, man? Jupyter. Can I install? Yes, you can install. Repeating again. In your computer, if you wanted to install, can you read the command name? Pip install. One more time. Pip install. Daniel, I wanted to install Jupyter. Same command, but before that you have to provide one symbol explanatory mark actual. Otherwise, command will not run. Repeating again. In your laptop, if you wanted to install in a command prompt, pip install library name. But no, Daniel, not in command prompt. Through Jupyter, I wanted to install. Yes, through Jupyter you can install actual. If you wanted to install through Jupyter, same command, don't give the space actually. The command supposed to starts with explanatory symbol. Surprise symbol actually, explanatory, right? Can you help me? Do you think this command will work? No. Chappan sir, then what? You can just have to provide explanatory. Good. Now let's take this one, and anyway here I wanted to install get ready search. Let's run this. Star indicates to collecting through the web actually. When you're running this command, internet connection is required. Come on. Yeah, collecting so and so. Successful install supposed to say. Successful install. You can ignore. This you can ignore. There are some dependency, but this you have to focus on actual. Second library also, can you help me? Pip install. Seaborn actual. If you even install Jupyter, it will be installed in your computer. It will be installed in your what man? Computer. So conclusion of the story, installation you can do from local, you can do from Jupyter. Yeah, we done this. After we done this, yeah, it's a right time data visualization libraries I have to import actually. Importing the data visualization libraries. Focus on this. Importing data visualization libraries actually. Yeah, get ready, sir. Can I separate these are all? Okay. Plot sub package, main package, sub package. When you cover Daniel actually, go to the Python. There is a topic. The topic name is a package. After whoops, I covered actually. There I have explained about what is main package, what is exactly main sub package. Yeah, we are just trying to do any idea what is this one actually? Aliasing, right? What is aliasing? PLT. And import Seaborn as a SNL. We are importing at the same time we are renaming it. That's what move on. After importing, we are still calling the same line. That's still okay. We already know this. So, I didn't import this. Go to our template. Let's run this. Can I ask a question? Let me check. Overall will respond. After installation, you have to write these two lines. Imagine you didn't install Matplotlib and Seaborn. You didn't install Matplotlib and what's such Seaborn. You are trying to importing. What happened? Please make it. You may get error. Error name is a module not found error. Yeah, once you get this number, I mean, it is a successfully installed and imported